வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தாலும் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக். ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 7 டேர்ம் 3 ஜியாகிரஃபி யூனிட் 2 மேப் ரீடிங். லேர்னிங் objectives: to know about the maps, நில வரைபடம், and scale, to identify the various types of maps, to understand the elements of maps, to learn the legend and signs and symbols. Introduction. Reading of maps will give clear understanding of geographical location, physiographic features like mountains, மலைகள், plateaus, பீடபூமிகள், and plains, சமவெளிகள், water features like river, ஆறு, lake, ஏரி, ocean, கடல், etc. and cultural features, கலாச்சார அமைப்பு, such as roads, settlement, etc. The maps are meant to be the preserving records of the past, which will help us to understand the past and perceive the future. நிலவரைபடங்கள் கடந்த காலத்தினை புரிந்து கொள்ளவும் எதிர்காலத்தினை உணரவும் வழிவகை செய்ய வேண்டும். Maps portraits. Portraits means shows the political boundaries of different countries and states. It helps the students to visually understand the size and shape of various countries, continents, etc. Maps clearly refer to the properties that people own and their geographical boundaries. Maps. A map is an essential tool of a geographer. Map is a representation of the earth as a whole or a part of the earth drawn on a flat surface according to a given scale. It can show continents, countries, cities, and even a local area are drawn with specific details. It is easy to handle and carry as it can be rolled up or folded and stored in computers. நில வரைபடம் என்பது புவியின் முழு பகுதி அல்லது ஒரு பகுதியின் காட்சியினை ஒரு தட்டையான மேற்பரப்பில் கொடுக்கப்பட்டுள்ள அளவில் வரையப்படுவதாகும். நில வரைபடமானது கண்டங்கள், நாடுகள், பெருநகரங்கள் மற்றும் சிறிய ஊர் பகுதிகள் உட்பட சில குறிப்பிட்ட விவரங்களை காட்டுவதாக வரையப்படுகிறது. இது கையாளுவதற்கும் சுருட்டியோ அல்லது மடித்தோ கையில் எடுத்துச் செல்வதற்கும் கணினியில் சேமித்து வைப்பதற்கும் எளிதானதாக அமைகிறது. Do you know? In the early times, various materials such as animal skin, விலங்குகளின் தோல், cloth, துணிகள், parchment, that is made from the skin of sheep used for writing, papyrus, wet earth, and clay tablets, that is களிமண் பலகைகள், were used to make maps. Types of maps. As each map is unique means special in its design, content, and construction. On the basis of certain common features, maps can be classified into several types. Maps on the basis of scale, on the basis of content. So on the basis of scale, the maps are divided into large scale map and small scale map. So on the basis of content, the maps are divided into physical map and cultural maps. Now let us see about the maps on the basis of scale. Large scale maps, which shows smaller areas in greater details because they are drawn on a relatively large scale. Examples of large scale maps are cadastral maps, topographical maps. So cadastral maps means nila alavai padangal, or village and town maps which show individual fields and house sites. Topographical maps, தள வரைபடம். It shows smaller areas in much greater details about small area. These maps are prepared by Survey of India. These are also large scale maps which show both natural features like hills, குன்றுகள், and valleys, பள்ளத்தாக்குகள், as well as man-made features like buildings, roads, and canals. Canals means கால்வாய்கள். The next is small scale maps, which show large areas like continent or countries. These maps are drawn on 1 centimeter equal to 1000 kilometers. These are called small scale maps. Examples for small scale maps are wall maps, சுவர் வரைபடங்கள், and atlas, நில வரைபட நூல். Wall maps. Wall maps are small scale maps showing large areas. They are useful for students in classrooms and offices. Small scale maps covers a larger area and depicts means it shows with limited information. Atlas. Atlas is a collection of maps in a book. Atlas maps are small scale maps covering large areas like continents and countries. Only prominent, that is important relief features, main roads and railways, important towns are shown in Atlas maps. The study of geographic characteristics of a large area is possible at the time with the help of an atlas. Do you know the science of map making is called cartography? Carti means map and graphic means drawing. One who draws map is called a cartographer. Let us see about the types of atlas. நில வரைபட நூலின் வகைகள். Number 1, School Atlas. It contains the maps giving sufficient details of the home and country. வீடு மற்றும் நாடுகள் குறித்த போதுமான விவரங்களை அளிக்கக்கூடிய வரைபடங்கள் உள்ளன. Second one, Advanced Atlas. It contains detailed maps of even small regions of the continents and are used as reference atlases. Third one, Regional Atlas. பிராந்திய நில வரைபடம். It contains detailed maps of small areas prepared with a view to help in regional planning. Fourth one, National Atlas. It contains detailed maps of a country. The maps of a national atlas are comparatively large size and they depict general and characteristic features of the geography of a country. Now let us see the maps on the basis of content. Physical maps, இயற்கை அமைப்பு. It shows natural features such as relief, geology, நிலத்தோற்றம், soils, drainage, elements, weather and vegetation, இயற்கை தாவரங்கள். Relief maps, நிலத்தோற்ற வரைபடம். It shows general topography like mountains, valleys, plains, plateaus and rivers. Geological maps, புவியியல் வரைபடம். It shows geological structures, rocks and minerals. Climatic maps, காலநிலை வரைபடங்கள். It shows the distribution of temperature, rainfall, clouds, relative humidity, ஈரப்பதம், direction and velocity of winds, காற்று வீசும் திசை, வேகம், and other elements of weather. Then soil maps, மண் நில வரைபடங்கள். It shows the distribution of different types of soil and their properties. Cultural maps, கலாச்சார நில வரைபடங்கள். It shows the man-made features. Political maps shows the administrative divisions of a country, state or district. These maps facilitate the administration means நிர்வாகம் in planning and management of the concerned administrative units. Population maps, மக்கள் தொகை நில வரைபடங்கள். It show the distribution, மக்கள் தொகை பரவல், density, அடர்த்தி and growth of population, occupation structure, வேலைவாய்ப்பு அமைப்பு and literacy, those who are educated. Economic maps, பொருளாதார நில வரைபடங்கள். It depicts the production and distribution of different types of crops and minerals, location of industries, trade routes and flow of commodities. Transportation maps, போக்குவரத்து நில வரைபடங்கள். It shows roads, railway lines and the location of railway station, airports and seaports, etc. Thematic maps, கருத்து நில வரைபடங்கள். It represents the distribution of a particular feature or theme and its spatial variation. Do you know Digital maps, மின் அணு வரைபடங்கள், is a web-based service that provides detailed information about geographical regions and sites around the world. Now let us see about the elements of maps. நில வரைபட கூறுகள். Maps provide us with a lot of information and one must know how to read and interpret them. Every map is provided with certain features that help us to study the information presented in it. The basic essential elements of a map are title, direction, scale and legend, or key and signs and symbols. Title, தலைப்பு. Every map has a title that describes the information given in the map. For example, a map with the title India Rivers shows rivers of India. Direction, திசைகள். In general, maps are drawn with north orientation. It helps us to find other direction on the map like east, west and south. In addition to the north notation, latitudes, that is imaginary horizontal lines, and longitudes, imaginary vertical lines, are depicted in the margins. The north is notified by letter N with an arrow mark. Scale. The scale of a map is the ratio between the distance on the map between 2 points and actual distance between the 2 places on the ground. For example, the scales can be represented as 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer. It means 1 centimeter on the map is equal to 10 kilometer on the ground. It helps to find the distance on the map between 2 points. Next one, legend or key. A legend or key of a map explains the symbols that are used on it to represent various physical and cultural features. The common signs and symbols which are internationally accepted and used in maps are called conventional signs and symbols. நிலவரைபடத்தில் பயன்படுத்தப்படும் பொதுவான சின்னம் மற்றும் குறியீடுகள் தேசிய அளவில் ஏற்றுக்கொள்ளப்பட்டவையாகும். Every map has a legend or a key which explains the different colors and symbols used in it. On a map, it is difficult to show the real shape such as settlements, bridges, post office, railway lines and forest. They are depicted by using certain colors, symbols or letters. Conventional signs and symbols. A sign is a widely used symbol or a line pattern or a color on a map. It represents a feature on the ground. The Survey of India have standardized a set of conventional signs and symbols. Several colors are commonly used in the map. Look at the image of the signs and symbols used in the map. Now let us see about the uses of maps. First one, maps enable us to know details of the landforms. ஒரு இடத்தினை நேரில் சென்று பார்க்காமல் நிலத்தோற்றம் மற்றும் நில அமைப்புகளின் விளக்கங்களை தெரிந்து கொள்ள உதவுகிறது. Number 2, maps help the military personnel to campaigns. நிலவரைபடங்கள் இராணுவத்தின் திட்டமிடுதல் பணியில் மகத்தான செயல்களுக்கு முக்கியத்துவம் பெறுகிறது. Third one, it is used in the aeroplanes and ships. விமானங்கள் குறிப்பிட்ட இடத்தை சேரவும் கப்பல் கடலில் பாதுகாப்பாக செல்லவும் உதவுகின்றது. Fourth one, maps are used for weather forecasting. வானிலை முன்னறிவிப்பிற்கு பயன்படுகிறது. Comparison of a map and globe. A map is a 2-dimensional form of the earth, but a globe is a 3-dimensional model of the earth. Map shows a small or a larger area, but a globe is a true model of the earth. Maps show a detailed information about an area, but a globe cannot show the detailed information for an area. Map is very easy to carry, but a globe is not easy to carry.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.